Hi everybody, I'm just finishing up a quick lunch break here today. It's about noon on Wednesday, and I wanted to record a quick follow-up video to the 20-minute sort of meltdown slash like burnout video that I posted. I was not expecting such a large amount of feedback, such a large amount of comments, emails, messages. The whole thing is really like clogged up all of my communications channels, and I really wasn't expecting that. So I wanted to reach out and let you all know how grateful I am to have such a response. I mean, that's an incredible feeling to post something like that I honestly thought was going to get like more thumbs down. I did not expect for I expected to get tomatoes thrown at me for it. I really did, but I'm always going to continue to post honest things on this channel. If something's bothering me, I'm going to bring it out on the table, because let me tell you, to post something like that and to get that out, it's like a huge weight lifted. The last couple of days I've been like, it's helped me. It's really helped me to express that stuff. And that's something that I've always gotten out of this YouTube channel. So I'm going to continue to be honest with you guys and continue to say things and let people know if something's bothering me. Yada yada. I'm not going to make this too long, but I want to thank all of you that have reached out to me and all of you that have written such detailed ideas and suggestions that can help me. I have read a lot of them. I have not read all of them because it's been really nuts. I'm trying to keep up. It's a lot to go through, but I can promise you that I am going to read every single last one of them, and not any one of them am I going to take lightly. It's a really lot of good suggestions. There's everything there from policies pertaining to prior repair attempts, policies pertaining to what is economical to repair, suggestions about price changes, binge fees, suggestions about like holding back videos and putting them behind a paywall. I'm not ever going to do that. But it's a lot of really good stuff. So I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. You have taken the time to type things to me that are just like massively valuable, and I want to take the time to thank all of you, but I don't have the time to thank all of you personally. There's 100 and something comments there, so I cannot possibly reply to every single one of them, but I will absolutely read every single one of them. I also want to sympathize with some of you that look up to me as a teacher. I don't see myself as a good teacher, but there are a couple of you that sort of got your feelings hurt by my last video because you're not really trying to do anything wrong. You're just, trying to do what I'm showing, and then it's like, hey teacher, help me. And I want to let all of you know that I didn't mean to have any hard feelings, but I need to be honest, and it helps me to get this stuff out of me. Also, I want to thank everybody who has decided to help support the channel on Patreon. That is massively helpful. There's a couple of you that have been very generous, and I'm going to begin uploading content over there. Am I recording? I'm going to begin uploading content over there as well. Now, I think as far as the videos and normal things that I would put on YouTube, that is always going to be on YouTube for free. I'm not going to hold that back and make you be like a member of something to watch my videos. There's been a couple of people that suggested like early posting over there, but I don't know if I'll ever do that. I really don't. So I guess the purpose of this video, did I make... Let's see, I think I covered everything. I didn't want to look like an idiot, so I sort of made myself a list of things that I wanted to talk about. So really the purpose of this video is to say thank you. Thank you all. This channel's approaching 50,000 subscribers, and I really feel good that there's so many people out there that cared. So right after I click the publish button on this one, it's going to be just a few minutes or however long it takes me to get this other one uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and post this other repair video. It's nothing special, but I did have fun recording it, and it's a prior repair attempt. So guys, as always, thank you for commenting. Thanks for watching my videos. Makes me feel really good, and I'll see you soon. Have a good day.